Good afternoon everybody. Here I am in a little place called Dacre in North Yorkshire, and as it happens I was just travelling around, popped over the bridge in Dacre which just goes over the River Nid, and next to it we've got an old abandoned building which actually looks quite interesting, so I thought I'd try and get a few shots. Here it is behind me, as you can see. Pretty derelict, and raring to be looked at, I think. So let's see what we can do. There we go. Quite low light in here, as you can see. Pretty much some kind of old factory or something. There's a little stream that seems to run underneath here, which I'll see if I can get a shot of. There we go. Don't know if you can see that. Quite sure what it used to do, but makes a lot of noise, I know that. Very unsure about what it actually is. There's a right mishmash of stuff in here, but it's been pretty well abandoned for some time, I suspect. But yeah, looks like it's had its day. Slightly precarious here. The floors are wood and don't look too great, so I'm taking it a bit cautiously. As you can see, the home of pigeons now, and like I say, the floor does feel a bit soft, but we should get some nice shots in here. I'll try and do that. Interlace them into the video so you can see what I got in due course. Still a bit flummoxed basically about what this place is. I'll try and find out before I actually put the video together to see what it was, but it'd be interesting to know. As I say, the floor's a bit dodgy, but worth the risk, and we'll see what we can do. See if I can get a couple of shots. End of the building, obviously where things were delivered to, and things came in through the doors over there. The roof's looking a bit dodgy, to say the least, but we'll be careful. So this looks pretty daunting. As you can see, I'm set up over here, so it should be quite good. So hopefully we'll get a decent shot of the expanse and of where you can actually see me taking it from. So hopefully it'll be a good shot. Okay, so I've got a couple of shots there. I'm going to move on now and get myself into a different room and hopefully some decent alternative shots. Okay, let's see what we got. This is an interesting area. I presume some sort of like big workshop. Maybe to look in again at cars, I'm not sure. There's a bit of a pit here going on, which I'll try and get on the next shot. But as you can see, it's fairly messy down there. I suspect it was heavy engineering at the end of the day. That's interesting. Got a deck. Obviously if you're using the old vinyl. Well overgrown now, as you can see. I suspect there's some heavy plant or heavy machinery in there at one point. This is interesting. Some sort of like track. Again, unsure what that would be. But again, I'll try and find out. Sort of fill in the gaps in the history of the place. Anyway, let's see if we can get a decent shot, and if it's any good, I'll show you what it's like. Whew, well there we go. Another building shot, and quite an adventure really. Enjoyed that. Could have been a bit better lighting, but no, it's fine. But yeah. Anyway, so here from Dacre in North Yorkshire. Thanks for watching. And if you liked it, give me the thumbs up, and if you loved it, you better subscribe. So hopefully I'll see you next time. Cheers now.